Hello everyone, welcome back to Charminliti channel. Vietnamese fans are very excited because Blackpink is about to organize concerts in Vietnam this July. So today I want to join everyone enjoying Blackpink this year with various styles of both hairpins. It's also a great opportunity to choose a suitable style for your style to attend the concert and have a cheap moment with the same hairstyle as your idol. Okay, let's get started. To begin, let's launch the Adobe Frisco app. Choose square size. Select the image icon and click on Photo to choose a background image. Afterward, proceed to select a reference image. Adjust the size of the image that needed. Open the Layer Properties panel and locate the Layer Opacity settings. Adjust the slider to a value of 50. Click on Light Brushes. Next, choose the Oil Pen Flat Brush. Adjust the brush size to your desired scale. Choose the color white to use as the border color. It's time to begin replicating the design based on the reference image. Adjust the sharpness of the reference image in the Layer Opacity section. Move the reference image outside. Create the new layer. Navigate to Leaf Brushes, then proceed to select the Oil Pen Detail Brush. Modify the brush size according to your preference. Use the Color Picker tool to select the desired color from the reference image. Blackpink Jisoo has been a trendsetter when it came to hair bow style, inspiring young people to follow suit. Her unique and eye-catching hair accessories have sparked a wave of creativity and experimentation among fans. From oversized bows that add a playful touch to casual outfit, to elegant and intricate designs that elevate a formal look, Jisoo has effortlessly showcased the versatility of hair bows. One of the trends set by Jisoo is the combination of pole colors and button. They has been seen sporting vibrant and elegant bows, incorporating bright hues and eye-catching prints. This trend has encouraged young people to embrace a more daring and expressive style, adding a pop of color to their hairstyle and overall fashion choices. Click on the layer, select Delete Layer to remove the white outline. Let's do the same drawing steps with other bow style. We also begin by selecting the reference image. Adjust the size of the image that needed. Open the Layer Properties panel and locate the Layer Opacity settings. Adjust the slider to a value of 50. And then select the oil option. Next, choose the Oil Pen Flat Brush. Adjust the brush size. We also choose white color to create the outline. Let's begin the process of coloring. Jisoo's influence had also extended to the style and shape of hair bows. She has effortlessly pulled out oversized bows, making them a must-have accessory for those seeking a bold and playful style. On the other hand, she has also shown how smaller, more delicate bows can bring a touch of elegance to any outfit. This versatility has allowed young people to adapt their hairbow choices to different occasions and personal preferences. Jisoo's bohemian style has been used in various occasions and songs by Blackpink. Here are some examples. The first is visual MV. In this music video, Jisoo appears with a simple yet adorable hairbow style. It creates a youthful and cheerful image fitting the energetic musical style of the song. The second one is Forever Young stage performances. In some live performances of the song Forever Young, Jisoo has worn a large bow, creating a bold and standout fashion statement. This adds contrast and captures attention from the audience. And the next is red carpet event and promotions. Jisoo often chooses to wear hair bows for red carpet event and promotion activity with Blackpink. This hairstyle is often paired with unique and eye-catching fashion outfits, creating a memorable and distinctive style. Merge the layers together. Duplicate the bow layer to avoid having to draw this bow again. We also begin by selecting the reference image. Adjust the size of the image that needed. Open the Layer Properties panel and locate the Layer Opacity settings. Select the vector brushes, choose the manga categories, and then select the G pen. This type of pen is commonly used for writing. Let's proceed with drawing the third bow. Okay, let's move on to sketching Jisoo now. We also begin by selecting the reference image. Adjust the size of the image that needed. Open the Layer Properties panel and locate the Layer Opacity settings. Create the new layer. And then select the oil option. Next, choose the oil pen flat brush. We also choose white color to create the outline. I have also wondered why the young generation is so fond of this hairstyle, so I asked some of my friends, and they provided me with some convincing reasons. The first reason is unique and eye-catching. The hair bow worn by Blackpink members, including Jisoo, are unique and visually striking. They add a touch of playfulness and charm to their overall look, making them stand out and capture attention. And the next is fashion inspiration. Blackpink, being a global fashion icon, influenced trends and set new standards in the world of fashion. The hair bow style worn by the members, including Jisoo, serves as inspiration for young people who aspire to adjust the sharpness of the reference image in the layer opacity section. Move the reference image outside. Drawing the facial feature is similar to applying makeup. First, we need to create a smooth base layer. Apply eyebrow powder to fill in the eyebrows. Create highlights and shadow to add dimension to the face. Blackpink Jisoo is known for her stunning eye makeup. She often draws precise wing eyeliner, creating a sleek and sophisticated look. Jisoo has a beautiful and enviable set of lips. Her lips are often accentuated with various shades of lipstick that complement her overall look. She is known for her ability to pull up both bold and subtle lip color with equal grace. I choose a taper brush tip to draw its individual eyebrow hair. Dedicated look. Jisoo voluminous lashes and occasional use of full lashes completes her captivating eye makeup. Now, let's refine and draw more precise lines on Jisoo facial feature to enhance the overall definition. And we have successfully completed. If you also create beautiful drawings, don't forget to share them with me by commenting below. Remember to like and subscribe to the Charminliti channel and stay tuned for the next video.